There is such a big opportunity for you right now to create passive income by taking your skills and expertise on a certain subject and turning it into an online course. If you've thought about creating a course, but you've delayed or put it off because you just are not sure what to do or how the heck to get started, I want to help you. I'm Josh. I have been creating online courses since 2018, and I am now a full-time course creator. I started doing one course at a time, did it on the side, and now do it full-time. And in this course, I'm going to pull back the curtain and I'm going to show you everything I've learned with creating a six-figure online course business that now supports me and my entire family. What I found is that an online course is amazing for so many reasons. It's the impact you can make with your students. It's the time you get back. More importantly, it's having an asset in your business that you can work really hard and build once and then sell over and over and over and over and over and over again. However, like I said, it is a lot of work and it's hard work, and it can be very difficult to create a course that launches successfully and that you sell consistently. And that's what we're going to do in this course. I'm going to guide you through the entire process from start to finish. Let's take a look at the course outline and I'll show you everything that we're going to cover. So this course is built out into three main modules. The first module is creating the course. We start with planning and preparing, which is key. You don't want to start creating your course unless everything is planned out well and prepared, because this is going to save you time and frustration in the long run. I'm going to show you how I effectively plan and prepare all my course details before we dive into creating the course outline and content. And I'll show you my entire proven system for creating an outline and creating the content before we start recording. I'm also going to show you some different ways you can present your content, because you can do talking head videos, you could do text on videos, you can do screen recordings, you can do a number of different ways to present your content. I'm going to show you all the different options to see what works best for you. We are going to talk about the tools and tech for recording your videos. I'm going to show you what I have in place, as well as a bunch of different options that you can decide to roll with depending on your budget and your setup. And then we'll dive into recording the actual videos. I'm going to share everything that I've learned with creating all sorts of different videos that you can do in your courses. And then we're going to dive into editing and post-production. I'm going to show you my process for editing and producing all the videos once they're recorded, and give you a bunch of different options depending on what tools look best for you. And then we're going to talk about hosting the videos to make sure they are secured and private, so only your paying students get access to those videos. Then we're going to actually build out the course, and we're going to do this using LearnDash. LearnDash is the tool and the platform that I've created my courses on. I love LearnDash. It is a plugin on WordPress, and it's an incredible system. It's very user-friendly and easy to use. So I'm going to give you an overview, and I'm going to show you how to set up LearnDash. Then we're going to actually create your course and build it out in LearnDash and build all your lessons, and I'll show you the ins and outs of that. I'm going to show you some really cool specific things you can do with customizing a sidebar in LearnDash if you're curious about how to do that. I'm going to show you some specific pages and how to set those pages up for course-specific pages on your website. We're going to talk about a couple different ways to sell your courses, which you can do through LearnDash natively, or if you'd like to model the same setup I have on my site here, I use WooCommerce to sell my courses. So I'll show you how I have that set up, and I'll show you how you can link WooCommerce in with your LearnDash courses as well. And then we're going to wrap up with a bunch of really important kind of miscellaneous things in regards to your course pages and the user experience for your students. And then module 3, we're going to talk about how to actually market and sell your course and sell it consistently, which all starts with a course sales page. So a lot of people talk about building landing pages. We don't want to just have people land on the page. We want to convert them. We want to actually have them purchase the course. So I'm going to show you my proven 12 keys that I recommend you have on your course sales page. We'll walk you through that in detail. We're also going to dive into pricing the course, because there's all types of price points, and I want to make sure you have the right price point for your course to make it profitable and sustainable, but that also works with your students and your demographics. So we'll talk about that. I'm going to give you the full plan for launching your course. And again, most importantly, we're going to talk about how to sell it consistently, because you don't just want to have a great launch and then never make another sale. You want to sell the course over and over and over. I'm going to show you how I do that and some of the best strategies you can implement. We'll talk about getting student testimonials, talk about some other things that I've found to be super successful with keeping things profitable and sustainable, which include revamping courses, bundles, and discounts. And then we're going to talk about your students and put the emphasis on them, on how to engage them and support them moving forward. Additionally, there's all sorts of resources, templates, and all kinds of stuff in this course. I've got a cheat sheet that's going to help you with your course sales page. For those of you who use Divi, I've created a Divi layout template that is based off of all my course pages that you can use to help jumpstart your sales page. And then I do have my full checklist for the creation and launch process for your course from start to finish that you can have as a reference point. And I'm going to be super transparent through the entire course. You're going to see real numbers. I'm going to show you my actual templates and some emails that I send to students and everything that I've actually done in my course business. Again, I'm pulling back the curtain. You're going to see everything that I've learned with creating a six-figure online course business, and I want to help you do the same. After completing the course, you're going to have a proven action plan to follow for planning, creating, building out, launching, and selling your course consistently moving forward. So if you're ready to do that, if you're ready to take your knowledge and skills and expertise, package it into an online course that you could build once and sell over and over and over again, join the course today. I'm so excited to help you do this so you can make passive income for yourself by having an online course and make a great impact with your students. So join today, and I'll see you inside.